Get ready to elevate your taste buds with our tantalizing spicy banana blossom salad, a dish that's sure to impress with its bold flavors and delightful crunch. To begin, create a salt solution and soak sliced banana blossom to remove bitterness and enhance texture. Next, chop garlic and onion, and grind dried red chilies into a flavorful paste. Filter the soaked banana blossom and prepare the aromatics. Heat oil and add turmeric powder, garlic, onion, and chili paste for a burst of aroma. Stir in dried fish, salt, and a splash of lemon juice for added zest. After that, if you get the fried paste, mix it with the prepared banana blossom and make the salad. And there you have it, our mouth-watering spicy banana blossom salad, bursting with flavors and textures. Enjoy this delightful dish as a refreshing appetizer or side. It's a recipe you'll want to make again and again. Bon appetit!